My name is Mohammad Bilal Hussain, and this is my virtual assistant project. Okay, so let's start. Start listening button here. I click. Hey,
Hi there, how can I help?
do you have a product list?
You can buy different types of coffee and tea from us.
Do you take credit card?
You can pay with Visa, MasterCard, and PayPal.
How long does delivery take?
Expect your delivery in 2 to 4 days.
What are your opening times?
We operate from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. on weekdays.
Where are you located?
Our store is at 123 Coffee Street, Brewtown.
How can I contact you?
Reach us at 123 456 7890 or contact at coffeetea.com.
How do I reserve a table?
Call 123 456 7890 to reserve a table.
How do I cancel my order?
Contact support at coffeetea.com to cancel your order.
How do I get a refund?
For refunds, please contact our support team at support@coffeetea.com.
How do I give feedback?
To provide feedback, please contact us at feedback@coffeetea.com.
Thanks.
Hey, happy smiley.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye. Hello,
Okay.
thanks for visiting.
Then I will click on show accuracy for my LSTM and SVM plus glove model.
LSTM model accuracy is 97.36%.
So this is LSTM model accuracy 97.36%.